Hi, Audra here. I created this page for you. If you're interested in becoming a stager, I have a training below on how to quit your day job and become a stager. I've re-released that training replay because I know a lot of people were interested in that. If you are a stager or designer and you're wondering how in the world do I offer my services remotely for my clients, that's below as well. I have an A to Z guide on how to go remote with your services. That's the beauty of the staging and design industry, is we can do so much of what we do online for clients. I have a 9-page guide accompanied by an hour and a half of kind of video training that walks you through the 7 steps of doing that. I give you the email swipe files, I give you the Canva imagery, everything there. So if you're kind of over Netflix like me and you're ready to kind of learn and grow and be productive during this time that we have to stay in, this is a great page for you. I've got a ton of resources below. I'm going to give you a quick video orientation and kind of take you to it so that you know kind of where to go now. And I even have a training on how to add e-design to your business. So enjoy this page. This is for you. I'm going to be adding more to it, and let me show you what's inside. All right, so if you scroll down the page, you'll see right here, if you want to have access to my complete guide, it's an hour and a half of video training coupled with a 9-page guide, copy and paste swipe files of exactly how you offer remote services to your clients, what technology to use, I give you kind of the copy and paste your services in, the email follow-up, copy and paste swipes, and I give you all the imagery that you can use so that you look awesome. This is all free for you because this is my way of giving back to the staging industry. Go ahead and just click on this button to get your free guide, and then you're taken to that guide page. What that guide includes, like I said, an hour and a half. I have a 7-step process to follow. I give you my email swipe files and my Canva template imagery for you to just quickly dial into your own business. If you scroll past the guide, you'll see, okay, there's all my Canva templates. I'm also offering a discount for all of my trainings. And I've never done this where I actually offer a $50 discount even on my payment plans. So I'm doing this because I get these are tough times for everybody. And this is just, again, my way of giving back. I have really never raised the price of any of my trainings through 20 years of being in business, and I do this because I like to keep it affordable, but I'm making it even more affordable. Now is the time to get it at the best price because of this crisis and what we're doing. And then under there, I have posts and more resources, not just for your business. So if you are somebody that are getting a lot of questions on, Audra, how do I become a stager? What are the process of that? Well, I have a lot of free kind of replay training that you can get to. Here is one for how to add e-design to your business. So you can click to watch that video training replay. I know a lot of you asked to see that again. I have email examples of how you introduce yourself to your clients during this situation, and of course my advice, but I also have a free training for those of you who are looking to become a stager. I've actually opened up the webinar that I gave in February, how to quit your day job and become a stager designer. People loved that webinar. So I actually opened up the replay for you so you can click here and watch that as well. And that's just for these are the steps of how do you get started with a staging business. So just giving you some free information there. And then I double down with a replay of my staging, color, and design trends webinar that I get. So hopefully this is just a little bit more, help you to be a little bit more productive instead of take a Netflix break and kind of learn and grow and kind of skill up for yourself. Enjoy this page. Hopefully you enjoy it. Get your guide and leave your comment. Thanks.